As the leaves transform into vibrant hues, painting the landscape with shades of red, orange, and gold, so too can our approach to beauty. This season invites us to transition from the bold and bright colors of summer to the warm and earthy tones of fall. Autumn ushers in a time for cozy sweaters, warm beverages, and a shift towards a more natural, radiant look. Imagine wrapping yourself in a soft knitted sweater, sipping on a pumpkin spice latte, and feeling the crisp air on your glowing skin. Gone are the days of heavy summer makeup, replaced by a desire for a simple, effortless glow that complements the season's beauty. It's about letting your skin breathe and embracing a more minimalist approach. Embrace the warmth and richness of autumn with a makeup look that enhances your natural features and reflects the season's splendor. Think of warm-toned eyeshadows, soft blushes, and lip colors that mimic the hues of fall leaves. It's about achieving a healthy, luminous complexion that exudes effortless beauty. Hydration and skincare become key, ensuring your skin remains supple and radiant despite the cooler weather. Let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of an effortless fall glow, one that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and enhances your natural radiance. We'll explore tips and tricks to achieve that perfect autumn look, from skincare routines to makeup techniques. This is a time to embrace the warmth within and let it shine through. Let your inner glow reflect the beauty of the season and enjoy the transformation that autumn brings to both nature and your personal style. Effortless Fall Glow is about embracing a less is more approach to makeup. It's about enhancing your natural beauty, not masking it. The goal is to create a radiant complexion that looks fresh, healthy, and glowing from within. This look is easily achievable with a few key products and simple techniques. It's about choosing shades that complement your skin tone and enhance your natural features. Think warm, earthy tones that mimic the colors of autumn. Imagine a soft, diffused light illuminating your face, creating a natural-looking glow. This effortless approach to beauty is perfect for busy mornings, or when you want a quick and easy makeup routine that leaves you looking and feeling your best. Achieving an effortless fall glow starts with having the right tools in your makeup bag. As the seasons change, so should your beauty routine. Autumn brings cooler temperatures and drier air, which means your skin needs extra care and attention. Don't worry, you won't need a lot. A minimalist approach can be incredibly effective. It's all about choosing the right products that work well together. We'll focus on a curated selection of essentials that will help you achieve a radiant complexion. Think of it as your autumn beauty capsule wardrobe. First, you'll need a hydrating moisturizer to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. This step is crucial as it helps to lock in moisture and keep your skin looking fresh and dewy throughout the day. Next, choose a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone. This will even out your complexion without feeling heavy or cakey. A creamy concealer will help to brighten the under-eye area and camouflage any imperfections. It's perfect for those days when you need a little extra coverage. To add warmth and dimension, a bronzer is key. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, your temples, and along your jawline for a natural sun-kissed look, along with a blush in a warm, peachy shade. This will give your cheeks a healthy, natural flush that complements the autumn hues. Finally, a touch of highlighter on the high points of your face will create a luminous glow. Apply it to your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow for a radiant finish. These few essential products will be your allies in achieving an effortless fall look. With just a handful of items, you can create a beautiful, glowing complexion that will carry you through the season with confidence and style. Before diving into makeup application, it's crucial to prepare your skin. This step is often overlooked, but is essential for achieving a flawless and long-lasting makeup look. Begin by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Follow with a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Allow the moisturizer to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. This simple yet crucial step ensures that your makeup applies evenly and lasts throughout the day, while also keeping your skin healthy and radiant. Section 5. Laying the foundation, a flawless base. With your skin prepped and ready, it's time to create a flawless base. Opt for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin tone perfectly. Using a damp makeup sponge or a foundation brush, apply the foundation evenly to your entire face. blending outwards towards your hairline and jawline. The key here is to achieve a natural-looking finish, avoiding any harsh lines or heavy coverage. Remember, we're aiming for an effortless glow, not a mask-like effect. This step helps to even out your skin tone, creating a smooth and radiant complexion that will serve as the perfect canvas for the rest of your makeup. Section 6. Enhancing with concealer. A touch of perfection. Concealer is your secret weapon for brightening the under-eye area and concealing any imperfections. It can instantly make you look more awake and refreshed, even if you didn't get a full night's sleep. Choose a creamy concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. This will help to counteract any darkness under the eyes and bring light to that area. Make sure to test the shade on your skin to ensure it blends seamlessly. Using a small pointed brush, apply the concealer to the under-eye area, starting from the inner corner and blending outwards towards the temple. This technique ensures that the product is evenly distributed and covers the entire area. Gently pat the concealer into the skin using your ring finger for a seamless blend. The ring finger applies the least amount of pressure, which is perfect for the delicate skin under the eyes. You can also use concealer to cover any blemishes or redness on your face. Dab a small amount directly onto the blemish and blend the edges to make it look natural. Remember to blend, blend, blend for a natural-looking finish. Blending is key to ensuring that the concealer looks like a second skin, rather than makeup sitting on top of your skin. This step helps to create a brighter, more awake look, while also camouflaging any imperfections. With the right technique and product, concealer can be a game changer in your makeup routine, giving you that touch of perfection every day. Section 7. Adding warmth. Bronzer for a sun-kissed look. Bronzer is essential for adding warmth and dimension to your face, especially during the fall months when our summer tans start to fade. Choose a bronzer that is 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Using a fluffy bronzer brush, apply the bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks, your temples, and along your jawline. These are the areas where the sun naturally hits your face. Use a light hand and blend well for a natural-looking sun-kissed glow. Avoid applying bronzer all over your face, as this can look muddy and unnatural. Section 8. A flush of color. Blush for a healthy glow. Blush adds a touch of color and life to your cheeks, giving you a healthy and radiant flush. For an autumnal glow, opt for warm peachy or berry shades that complement your skin tone. Using a blush brush, apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. These are the areas where you want the color to be most concentrated. Blend well for a seamless finish, avoiding any harsh lines or streaks. The key is to achieve a natural-looking flush that brightens your complexion. Section 9. Illuminating the high points. Highlighter for a radiant finish. Highlighter is the finishing touch that adds a touch of luminosity and glow to your complexion. Choose a highlighter that complements your skin tone, whether it's a champagne, gold, or bronze shade. Using a fan brush or your fingertip, apply the highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. Apply the highlighter sparingly and blend well for a natural-looking, lit-from-within glow. Avoid applying highlighter to areas with texture, as this can accentuate imperfections. Section 10. Setting the look. Ensuring long-lasting beauty. To ensure your effortless fall glow lasts all day, set your makeup with a light dusting of translucent powder. This step helps to absorb excess oil and keep your makeup from smudging or fading. Using a large fluffy powder brush, dip the brush into the powder and tap off any excess. Lightly dust the powder over your entire face, focusing on your T-zone, where you tend to get oily. Avoid applying too much powder, as this can make your makeup look cakey and dry. This step helps to create a smooth and flawless finish that lasts for hours. Section 11. Embracing your autumn radiance. With these simple steps and a few essential products, achieving an effortless fall glow is easier than you think. Remember, it's all about enhancing your natural beauty and embracing the warmth and radiance of the season. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and techniques to find what works best for you. The most important thing is to have fun with your makeup and let your inner beauty shine through. Embrace the beauty of autumn and let your confidence radiate from within. With a touch of makeup and a whole lot of self-love, you'll be turning heads all season long.